Karbi Autonomous Council Old Secretariat Building, CEM Chamber along Assam University Difu Campus Full-Fledged Central University ke pamanjiapan avikiroi tu amai kangni. Difu along the District Press Club of Karbi to bed National Press Day kata London. Dentaghat along the Chokera Chok Angdeng Boros Heta Sabha Mahangketek Anita London. Kardom, Karbi Prime Time along Penny Velebon Kropi, non beer Tangton Pen, Arjuekta. Karbi Autonomous Council Old Secretariat Building, CM Chamber along Paikunini Pai Great Chokani, Assam University Difu Campus Pen Central University, Anke Paman Ponjapan Avikiroi to Amai Kipadopona Birta, Peranke Pen Birta Nampale. Assam University Difu Campus along Full-Fledged Central University Kipaman Japan RD Dujot Pen Kachingwai. Assam University still to Vice Chancellor Professor Dilip Chandra Nath Pen Karbi Autonomous Council Nang Humrisi CEM Tuliram Rong Hangapan Chetong Tekang Vice Chancellor Professor Nath Nakahomria Hood Karbi Autonomous Council EM Atum Jagat Singh Inti Amar Singh Tiso Assam University Difu Campus Pro Vice Chancellor Shivasis Biswas Dibrugarh University Member Long Singh Teron Karbi Autonomous Council Secretary Nirola Phangchopi Lapen Deputy Secretary Niropoma Phangchopi Atum Chetong Don India dang pia long Paikunini Pai Great Chok Arni National Press Day Catalona long Pacheton Dunsi Difu along the District Press Club of Karbi Tumpen Patir Piponsi National Press Day Catalona Birta Perange Pen Card News along Birta Nang Pale Jaimek Ateng Ben Ada Porpai Keba Porpen District Press Club of Karbi Amaipu Kirirong Hangpen Lama Ingthur Pondo Apitu Karlitang Aperangki Atumapan Perangki Nogen Bora Pensi Chiki Mosai Japon Linlo La Sofia da Porpai Kresia Porpen District Press Club of Karbi Amaipu Kirirong Hangpen Kachipe Pupona Mayalong Alwi Sarpu Aman Pen Asom Banialong Achapang Dilip Chandan Papangjang Aluhi Aman Pen EM Jogot Singing T MSC Mongol Sing Timong Thekar Arnivang Achapang Mati Jaffa Amaipu Long Sing Teron MSC Barim Robinson Krolapen Ongdong Perangkiatum Chutong Dunsi Perangkiatum Kiklem Kidam Nang Japutak Chingwai Pon
Electronic media are develop home jate protected ক্ষেত্ৰত যাতে ট্রান্সপারেন্স হয় মানে কোনো মানে যাতে অনিয়ম যদি হয় তেনেহলে এদিন ধরা খাব মানুহে গম পাব রাইজে গম পাব সেই কথাবিলাক যাতে প্ৰত্যেকটো ব্যক্তিৰ ভিতৰত সেই কথাবিলাক যাতে সোমোৱাই দিব পাৰে তাৰ কাৰণে মই আপোনালোকক যোগ কৰিছোঁ
Namalam Sopor Pan Birta Moing Tumanik Sina. That time of the month. Yes, women experience discomfort and irritation and stops them to grab the opportunities in their life. But from now, say bye to discomfort and irritation with Wing Sanitary Pads, a product of Karbi Anglong. It's safe and comfortable, 100% natural product, ultra-thin, eco-friendly, biodegradable and affordable price. And leak lock based technology used. Wing Sanitary Pads, best fits to women needs so that nothing stops you. For further queries, please contact at the number given on screen. Please tap in Ishan Motors, a showroom cum sales point of Royal Enfield opposite of Langpi Dahangi Rural Bank, Dilaji Branch, Rongkhelan, Difu, Karbi Anglong, Assam. For more details, please contact 97748 73915, 7896 169021 or 957 988 008. Come one, come all. Grand opening of Bazaar, India. A shopping mall consisting of various quality of gents wear, ladies wear, kids wear, and tremendous quality of household items, accessories, etc. Main Market, Old LIC Building, Karbi, Assam. Looking for your needs? Visit Bazaar, India. Atorkimi Outlet brings you an amazing items for your kitchen and dining like Hawkins, Flax, Milton, Treo, etc. Along with makeup, cosmetics, and grocery items are also available according to your needs. Atorkimi Outlet opposite Langpidahangi Rural Bank, Difu, Karbi, Assam.
Ganj Assam Hill Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang sa hormu ason salam pontanglo. Lasinang litum Arniwang kenang sot kecu ason la penthesiri alang hithi gulat along longpon ikji. Kang sirtang kijun alang, tharwe alang, theso alang, kecu ajam tu, tharmit aduk, Thelua Kreng, Chitronola, Ukthor Pen Chenglok Ongdung Hemalong akenang sot hormu longpon ikji.
Dinamo Piputhar Birta along Wangthulo. Dhenta Ghat along Paikuni Pai Crate Talk Arni, Chokebra Chok Angdeng, Boro Seta Sabha Mankitek Arni, Katalondona Birta, Karni Sosa Hemalong Birta Nangli. Boro alam akiki pacan pon thek Japan pura kidamtang 1952 an ingkan Paikuni Pai Crate Talk Arni, BTAD angkang, Basugang along Boro Seta Sabha Mang Pathek Ponlo. Lason Wang Bompen Piningkan an Keningkan, Chokebra Chok Nang Plexi, Prekja Mahavara Long Sidami, Amahang Kitek Arni Talon Ponlo. Lason si Boro Seta Sabha, Sonapur Primary Committee Ben, Patir Piposi, Tendakhat along Kido. All Boro Students Union, Asai Hemalong Chokebra Chok Angdeng. Boro Seta Sabha Mahang Kitek Arni Talon Ponlo. Laswalong Boro Seta Sabha, Sonapur Primary Committee Amaipu, Dara Basumutari, Kongchen Bang Prameswar Brahma Pen Danglong, Pinaan Boro Hampang Asong Asongja, Rong Sarlapen, Lo Charlia Somartumta Chetongdu. Borpathar Police Station ki parlo mate North Eastern Forest Range Siloni Janangkang number Tea Garden along Ingnama Inar Kithia Birta Paikuni Pai Crate Chogani Card Nusasa Hemalong Birta Nangli. North Eastern Forest Range Siloni Jan mate Borpathar Police Station ki parlo angkang number Tea Garden along Paikuni Pai Crate ho ajo apor rihing ame kidana jok habira ingnar kiti. Number T Company along an ki pon rihing ame ari kang daya joksi apran ki damlang loposi ong dongorat atung pen ningje. Karbi Prime Time Birta Bangila Panskang Ton Paniglo, Dumi Tagmi, Korwangcho.